Hey everybody, welcome back to my Project 13. Well, by now you've seen the video that I uploaded on the ZTE Axon7 that I got set up right now to play a music video along with the Huawei NEXUS6p and the Nexus 6. There's a reason why I have all three of these devices. Well, because they're all sporting front-facing speakers. So, I'm going to basically play a video clip. It's a free non-copyrighted song. It's the same song on each of these devices, and we're just going to take a quick little sample. We're not going to fully go into it, but just to give you something to listen to in comparison as far as the Huawei NEXUS6p, the Nexus 6 to the Axon7, the ZTE Axon7. The 5.5 Super AMOLED display, 1440 by 2560. You got 4 gigs of RAM, sporting a Qualcomm Snapdragon 820. It's a beautiful, beautiful device. I'm going to turn it off. I do have the fingerprint sensor ready to go here. My son let me put my own fingerprint in here. That way I could just show you all. 1, 2, 3, and there you go. It's very quick and responsive. He's actually liking it so far. And his Galaxy Note 3, the Samsung Galaxy Note 3, now belongs to my other son. He gave it directly to him. So, yeah, very nice gesture on his part, being a cool older brother to his younger brother. The battery on this device is a 3250 milliamp battery. That's a really decent size, and from what I'm hearing is that this device, the ZTE Axon7, has great battery life. So we're going to find that out as well as my son uses it and reports back to me battery life as far as the ZTE Axon7. Again, it does have a micro SD card slot up to 256 gigs, 64 gigs of internal storage, 4 gigs of RAM, 20 megapixel camera on the back, 1.8 phase or aperture, phase detection, autofocus, and OIS, dual LED, dual tone flash. So yeah, 8 megapixel on the front, and so that's going to be really nice if you're into selfies. And we also have fast charge USB Type-C 3.0. That's pretty sweet. We got right now the TPU case, but I got a package here that I'm going to open here in a little bit that actually has a flip case to protect this beautiful device. That's what he wanted for right now, so we're going to do that. So anyway, I'm going to open that up. Very nice. Gosh, I love that fingerprint sensor. Huawei NEXUS6p. The Nexus 6. And now, the newest member of the family in this household, the ZTE Axon7. And there we go, a little sample. We're going to take the other two devices out of the way. Thank you to the Huawei Nexus 6p and to my baby, the Nexus 6. for making a grand appearance to do a little testing here. So basically we're going to go out of there. This is feathery smooth. Just feels really nice. I actually love the skin on this device so far. We're going to take off this TPU case because we're going to install tempered glass. But you know what? Before I do that, I'm going to open this up and make sure we got the right one, because the last thing we want is the wrong. This is by Glass. I figure that's the name of the company. I will leave a link for this. So if these work out, I will definitely leave a link, and you guys, you gals and guys out there can check it out. This is the kit. I think the only thing I'm really going to use on here, I don't use the wipes, but it has all that. Again, that's a tool kit for glass tempered. That's the name of the company. And I'm going to take that out. And obviously this has got to fit. It's going to go over, there's a little notification area right here, notification light area. And that's going to have to cover that up, or not cover that up. And it's not going to cover all the way over, it's not going to fit all the way directly over the display, but we're going to see how that works out. Now, ZTE did put an extra screen protector in the box that it comes with, so if these don't work out, we're going to go back with the screen protector. So I'm going to take that off. Okay. So, and I'm going to go ahead and I love the display, the Super AMOLED display on here. It's just, it's gorgeous, it's beautiful. Curves down, it's raised a little bit. A lot of smartphones now have that, where the screen is raised a tad bit and curves around the edges, and it just looks really nice. We're gonna take this off now. I gotta make sure that the camera is exposed here. Actually, it covers the notification light, which is okay, and you got your camera right up top here where your speaker's at, and it leaves the area open right here where the let me find out what that is. Sensor or flash. Boy, that went on really good actually. Okay, so again, this is not covering. I'm able to scoot that over just a little bit. And I don't know if my son's gonna like that because it doesn't fully cover the display, but the response that I'm getting with this tempered glass is really good. It went on really easy. So hopefully that's going to work just fine. Yeah, I wish it covered up a little bit here, and I'm pretty sure there's other tempered glass. I'm sure some of you out there already have this device and have a suggestion. So if you do, man, throw it my way. Again, I don't know it all. I ordered the first thing that I thought was going to be good. It had a good rating, but it doesn't fully cover it. So good thing that we got a flip case from J&D Tech. Thank you so much for your purchase. Problems, concerns, questions, contact us directly at JD Tech customer service at hotmail.com or through Amazon messages so we can quickly resolve the issue. If everything is satisfactory, please leave a 5-star positive feedback. So J&D is a reputable company when it comes to cases, and here we have a really nice flip case, and inside it gives you a demo of where you can put your cards. And you can see that they left a thank you very much. It was great to honor to serve you. We hope you have a pleasant purchase experience. We'd love to hear about it. Your product reviews help us continue providing the best quality products for our valued customers. She submitted a review, and then it explains how to submit a review. J&D logo on the card, and you got a J&D logo right here, so hopefully you can see that. The device itself, this has a magnetic clip here, so that's really nice. And inside you got like a TPU case that's going to take the device in snugly. It's gonna snuggle in there, snugly, whatever. Anyway, so there's your power button, your volume keys, which not loose at all, very tactile, very responsive. I like this. Down at the bottom, you have your USB Type C, which I'm going to show you will go in there very nicely. Microphone, open right there. Headphone jack, microphone, all exposed. Earpiece exposed, so basically when you answer your device, you'll be able to close that and talk on the phone too as well. It might muffle up a little bit of your phone call because the speakers are covered up there, but this doesn't shut off the device, so you'll have to shut off the device and close it. It looks very nice, looks very sexy. You open that up and you'll be able to use the fingerprint sensor, fold that over, and you'll be actually, that's going to be kind of difficult with the fingerprint sensor, but it turns on, you can see it turns on really fast. As soon as I touched the fingerprint sensor on the back, bam, it came on really quick. So it's going to take some getting used to actually using that on the back with the case. Again, I'm not a big fan of these, but it does bring a lot of protection. And in what my son does, he's got to have a lot of protection. I'm sure he's going to order an armored case or something like that. But again, it's one of those things, everybody has their preference as far as cases, and this is just a sample of one. Let me know what you have, what you don't have, if you go naked on your devices, whatever. But you got your fingerprint sensor and your flash and your camera exposed on the back, and this is one of those that you can actually use as a stand as well. So very nice. Turn that on. There you go. Looks very good. So anyway, there we go. I will leave the link for these screen protectors in the JD case. You know, whether you like it or not, I'm going to leave it there and you can decide. But I still think that the tempered glass, even though it doesn't fit all the way across, is still better protection than a screen protector. But I'm sure that there's better tempered glass for this device. But for right now, we'll leave it on there and see what my son thinks. I'm going to take it upstairs and show him. But there you go, the ZTE Axon7. I'll have more to come as he uses it, especially on performance and battery life, and call quality and messaging as well. That's got to be there, or else, yeah, it's not worth having a device. So those couple things, then battery life, then performance. Speakers sound just phenomenal, just phenomenal. So I'll have more later. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Peace. I'm out. This is my Project 13. If you like the video, thumbs up, please. And if you're not subscribed, subscribe to the team. I appreciate it. And that's it, man. I'm out. Talk to you later.